Okay, so friend, today we are here to today we are here so that how can we remove the area of steel. Okay, AST, which is area of steel, effective cover, effective depth. Okay, so if in a question in theory of reinforced question, if it is asked that to remove the area of steel, effective cover or effective depth, so how will you remove it? So in this video you are going to learn about the steel area of steel, effective cover and effective depth. Okay, so first you have to know that this is the area section of beam. Okay, this is a section of the beam. Okay, this is the 3 bar of steel. Okay, and you have to find the area of steel bars. Okay, these three are the steel, and you have to find the area of the steel bar. And of the steel bar, 20 mm diameter is there. Okay, steel bar is of 20 mm diameter. Okay, so first the thing, the bar is actually 600 mm deep. Okay, depth of the bar D is 600 mm. Okay, and the main thing is the effective cover. You have to first find the area of steel. Okay, by these three bars you can find the area of steel. Okay, so we have to solve the area of steel. Okay, so pi by 4 into d square, pi by 4 into, this is the diameter, phi which is 20, pi by 4 into d square. Okay, and it is multiplied by the number of bars, number of bars, number of bars. So it is number of bars is 1 2 3. Okay, so we have to do let's cut it. Pi by 4 into 20 the whole square. Okay, multiply by 3. Okay, so we have to do it here. Multiply by 3. 942.47. Okay, what's the area of steel is? Area of steel is 942.47. Okay, so this is the area of steel. We have removed the area of steel. So in this total block of the concrete, the area of steel member is 942.47. Now we have to remove the effective cover. First we will know what is meant by effective cover. Effective cover is the like that. Effective this. Okay, this effective cover is this, from here to here. And in the question it is given as a clear cover. Clear cover it is given in the question. Clear cover is given in the question that suppose clear cover is 30 mm. Okay, clear cover is 30 mm. So how can we calculate the effective cover? Okay, so we have to just effective cover is equal to 30 plus diameter of bar is 20 mm. So 30 plus 20 divided by 2. 30 plus 10, 40. So effective cover is 40 mm. We have got the area of steel 942.47. We have got the effective cover is 40 mm. And how will be the how much will be the effective depth? We have got the effective cover is equal to 40 mm. Okay, so then what will be the effective depth? Okay, effective depth this will be this. Okay, effective depth, so it is equal to 600 minus 40 is equal to 560 mm. Okay, so this is the effective depth. Hope you will better understand. If you have any queries regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section.